Hello, my good friends of the internet. This is a weird intro, I'm very sorry. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to say welcome back to my channel, but you're probably all new here, so there's that. My name's Iris, and as you can tell by the title of this video, this wall has not always been yellow. I forgot to record an intro for this lovely video, so I'm doing it now, after the fact of doing it, the thing that I did, which is make over my room and clean it up a bit. So little spoilers here and there, but that's fine. Also, slight side note, this video was filmed over the course of like 3-4 months, and it was filmed on not one, not two, but 3 different cameras. So if there's ever any loss of quality or just a slight difference in the next shot, and you think, hey, why is that slightly different? That is because it was filmed on 3 different cameras. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's dive in, shall we? Let's look at what you came here for. So I'm currently looking around and just trying to figure out where to start. Oh boy. Really exposing myself hard here. As you can see, it's really time to clean up. Oh my goodness, it's so bad just looking through it from a camera angle. Good lord. Just, oh, it's bad. So my plan is to start tackling this area and then this area so that the floor at least is clean first, so that I can move this thing and its contents so that I have place to take out the drawers here and clean that up. And it's gonna be a process, but I think we'll manage. This box is like, this is my camera bag, I don't need that in there. This box is filled with like the most random stuff. Like I have an eyeshadow palette in here I don't use anymore, like a bunch of shampoos and other stuff that I don't use. So really, I really think I could just throw it away, which sounds really wasteful, but like I don't use it anymore and I can't really give it away because they've all been opened and I feel like most of them are like past their Best Buy date. Like I cannot tell you how long I've had this. I want to say since before we moved, and that was 5 years ago, so let's not even talk about all that. Now that that's done, I want you all to see that I have not 1, not 2, but 3 empty contact containers that I will probably just put in the plastic bin. But I'm gonna clean this out and then I have another container to store stuff in while I clean, because that's gonna be a whole different story. Okay, so I think I've decided that I'm gonna use that black box for now to store all my beauty related things that are on here. And then the rest I'll have to put somewhere else, but we'll figure it out as we go, because that's how we roll right here. Okay, let's go. The gems you find while don't look at that dust. Look at this. I'm pretty sure it doesn't work anymore, but man, oh man, the times I spent listening to music on this little baby. My goodness. My goodness. Okay, so I haven't taken a single, like, second look at these in years. These are all, like, jewelry bits and bobs that I don't wear anymore. So I think I'm just gonna get rid of, well, maybe, like, look through it and then see if I can get rid of it, because I don't really wear any of this anymore, but, like, this one I've had since I was, like, I think 3 years old. So that's a sentimental thing, so I may not get rid of it, but the rest, like, honestly, I think I just chuck it out. So I have not moved this since I first decorated the shelf again. and I forget what's in this little box that little Rapunzel is on. Oh my gosh, there's so much dust. So let's find out right now what I've been hiding in this little yellow box. I'm sure it's nothing interesting. Okay, she's open. What is in here? Ooh, cables. And a some USB drives, hard drives, what are they called? I don't remember. I will have to look at these because I'm pretty sure this is all the hard drives that we've been looking for ages. So I'm gonna take that downstairs with me and look at that on my laptop. All right, so I bought this organizer from IKEA, which I thought would be perfect for like makeup stuff. So we're gonna do that now, organize my little makeup drawer. So here is the finished product. My makeup drawer is much more organized than I'm used to, but I really like the way it turned out, so I decided to also organize my other drawers. The second drawer is just all of my dresses folded up. I know it's a lot. And then the third drawer is just a drawer that's filled with a little bit of random stuff I didn't know where to put. And then the last one is just bikinis, jumpsuits, and some bedding stuff. And now I'm just going to organize all of my perfumes. Alright, so this is what we're working with right now. I'm kind of not sure if I should put this one like on her box. She's chilling, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because that's really not stable enough to do that. So I'll just, even though it's like a really pretty box, I think I'm just gonna get rid of it because, you know, the bottle by itself is really cute too. So that works. I decided to wear a dress for this. Nobody knows. I forgot my tools. Please wait. If you see me struggling through any of this process, that's because I was struggling a little bit, even though it is just IKEA, but you know, that's life. I need an even smaller screwdriver. So I just pushed my bed aside so I can start painting my wall. This was all covered in dust. but we don't have to talk about that because I vacuumed it away, so that's good. Yeah, but wall painting time. So I forgot to film the setup bit, but my mom and I also hung a plank, and I just decorated it with some geeky stuff that really displays the geek that I am. So yeah, here's my plank.
One eternity later.
And then you think you're done, and then there's more mess because you let it get worse. So it's time to clean some more because this is absolutely ridiculous. So I'm going to tackle this mountain of clothes first. Sorry if you hear my brother singing in the background. He is working on a project. But tackle this mountain of clothes first. Tackle this. Tackle the floor. Bring that up to the attic. And then the rest. I also need to water my plant because she needs some love. Every year I buy flip-flops, and every year my dog somehow gets into them, so I will just be chucking these in the trash. I also spilled makeup on them, as you can see, which is disgusting. So I am absolutely getting rid of these. Thanking you, goodbye. So I've been working hard, and it's mostly all cleaned up, or like, at least I tried. But I have one last moving box that I need to take care of, which has a lot of stuff I think I can go either into my closet or in the attic. This is a light that I still need to hang up. We got it at IKEA like 2 months ago. Because the light I have right now is not, you know, the best. Like I can bump into it and it's not great. But we'll see when I hang that up because that means we need to like turn off the power in the house and hang that up. But one day, eventually, I'll have a new light. So looking through this, I see like random stuff that these are fishnet tights that I haven't worn ever. I had to get for school at some point. Yeah, oh, these are McDonald's socks. Wow, I really have a bunch of crap in here. But I'm gonna sort through all that and then, yeah. Okay, so I need to get rid of this bag, this old calculator, these things, but it's mostly done. I need to get rid of these. I'm gonna put them in the glass thing because it's empty. This is the first empty I've had in a while, if anyone wants to know. This is a nice moisturizer. It's not expensive. But yeah, so I need to obviously get rid of these, get rid of that, and then, oh, I need to clean that mirror. I'm going to also vacuum a bit because the floor is dirty. Hello, a little side note from me, 15 years later. I still need curtains hung up and I still need to hang that light. So it's not completely done, but you know, it's done enough and I was done with it, so it's done, minus those two things. Thank you! So that was the makeover of my room. It's still not perfect. It's still not the minimalistic aesthetic room that all the other cool girls on YouTube have, which just shows that I am not a cool girl, though I am on YouTube. So that's half of the thing completed. If you did like this video, please leave a like because I like that, and leave in the comments any video suggestions you have, because I'm a little bored and I want to pick my channel back up a bit. So I want to make some more videos. I am currently planning on doing a closet declutter / closet purge video because, as you can tell by this picture, it is very, very necessary. My closet is a scary place, y'all. If there's any other things you would like to see, leave them down in the comments and I will get to them. Yes, I will. I actually will. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see said videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!